going to drop it. It's the only one and I need it for a job I'm on.
All good.
Okay, so WK2 Grand Cherokee. Common problem when people have transmission issues or they've done a transmission service is the vehicle keeps putting itself straight back into park. There are three possible causes for this. The first and the most obvious is you've still got the driver's door open. These cars for some reason will drop themselves straight into park if the driver's door's open. So make sure you're not doing that. The other two, one is incorrect oil. So make sure that you're putting the Penrite ATF in it that we use. What's it called? BMV. The other one, the last one and the most common issue is actually to do with this. This is the pan and the filter mechanism for the 8-speed transmission that goes in the WK2. We've done a video on how to change these. If you use a product that's low quality, not genuine, we use Ryco or Transgold or Genuine Jeep. What we have come across is this O-ring here and the little snout here. This actually locks into the bottom of the transmission, and when the gearbox is, when the transmission is running, the fluid runs through this filter mechanism, this big square panel, and then up into the valve body. If this is damaged, the O-ring pinched, or the snout's not high enough, the oil can't be sucked up into the gearbox. And then the fail-safe for the transmission is to just put itself back into park. So if you've just done an auto service, you had no problems prior, and now your car's dropping itself into park, A, watch the video that we did showing you how to fill the transmission with the vehicle running, and B, make sure you've used a good quality filter kit and that this O-ring is not damaged or that the snout's not cracked.